On the international front, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has appointed non-career ambassadors to the United States, the United Kingdom, and France, marking a strategic pivot in Nigeria's democracy. These appointments suggest a focus on political networks, influence, and rapid access to decision makers, particularly in economic and trade diplomacy. At the same time, this approach to the appointment raises questions about institutional continuity and the right expertise. The effectiveness of these envoys will depend heavily on their ability to balance political acumen with technical understanding of the nuances of international relations. These appointments reflect the administration's emphasis on result-oriented diplomacy. However, the impact on Nigeria's foreign infrastructure remains to be seen.